Where did the sugar go? Let's find out how sugar can disappear in water without vanishing at all. We'll need a glass tumbler, some drinking water, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and a spoon for stirring. First, pour water into the glass. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar, but don't stir it yet. Taste the water from the top. It's almost plain because the sugar is still sitting at the bottom. Now stir well until all the sugar crystals disappear. Taste the top again. Now it's sweet. The sugar has spread evenly through the water. Sugar breaks into tiny particles and slips into the spaces between water particles. These are called interparticle spaces. This shows that matter is made up of extremely small particles, too tiny to see but easy to prove through experiments. So the sugar didn't really disappear. It simply broke into tiny particles and slipped into the spaces between water particles. This proves that matter is made up of extremely small particles, even if we can't see them. Science is everywhere, even in a glass of sweet water. If you enjoyed this experiment, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Study with Bhadra for more fun science activities.